Next, we will explain the equipment's lubrication and maintenance, and the inspection of each part of the equipment. Our synchronous belt. Before each startup, check the belt for wear, check for fatigue or breakage. Check whether the bearing lubrication shows any cracking. Regarding maintenance, wet the guide shaft with lubricant at the start of each shift. Guide shaft lubrication. Ball screw nut. Add no-zero hydraulic oil to it every quarter. Lubrication of the ball screw nut.